Here we have some solder that's plugging holes, and we like to remove it. To do that, we'll need a couple of tools. Flux to keep oxygen out, low temperature solder paste, such as this bismuth tin solder paste that melts at 138 degrees C, copper braid to absorb the unwanted solder, and an iron that heats up very nicely and also has a flat tip, like a wedge, that can be used to apply even heat to the pad. The first thing we'll do is heat up that iron. And after we do that, we'll put the low temperature solder paste in the holes we want to clean. In addition to that, a little bit of flux to keep the oxygen out. And we heat the holes up and flood them thoroughly with the low temperature solder. It's helpful to make sure that it gets all the way through. Then we can add even more so that there's a surplus of solder available. And then we take the desoldering braid, which is just copper that's meant to absorb that solder, place it on the pad, and then place the iron directly on top. We can add a little bit more flux to keep everything flowing nicely. And then you just keep using a new part of this braid until all of the solder that you wanted to extract from the hole has left through capillary action. And look at that. The hole is completely clear now.